So this is the kitchen dining area. It's another of our larger spaces. It's got super high studs. We've put some beautiful tiles in here, and what we want to do is draw inspiration from those colours to the back of the wall here. We've also got this island bench, which is a Trade Me purchase. What we've really enjoyed, funnily enough, is the colour of the jib, which is pink. We'll get some guidance from the Resene experts on what they kind of think, but we're excited to see where that sort of wall heads to. So with the kitchen, we really want to bring in some colour. We've had it jibbed for quite a while now, and we've gotten used to the pink tones, which we're actually really enjoying, and we're quite reluctant to cover those up.
Absolutely. The key will be peeling it back down and softening it a little bit. Yep. So then it's great to live with day to day.
That's the thing, isn't it? Living with it.
So we'll grab some and have a look.
Oh, I like that. Makes that one look brown, doesn't it? So
it does.
You do have to look at them alone.
Yeah.
Queenie would love her room in that. So Resene gave us this great tip to paint on card rather than on the jib board, which I've been a bit guilty of. I've got a bunch of pinky toned paints for the kitchen. This one is Resene Soothe. They've also advised us to leave a border around the outside because it's easier to look at the pink in isolation. There were so many pinks to choose from.
Is there one that I should be liking more?
Well, won't make a difference what you choose.
Yeah, I do prefer, I think I prefer that, and it's
Yeah.
got that little bit blush that comes through in the tiles too.
Yeah.
What one do you like, Margot? Okay.
You know the pinkest one. So we're about to tackle the kitchen, and we've chosen a colour called Resene Springwood.
Yes, we're going to do the Space Coat Low Sheen, which is specific to kitchens and bathrooms.
And we've gone underneath, like we did with the lounge, with Resene X200, and it's going to give it a little bit of a gritty Mediterranean feel, which we're continuing through the house. I just go for it. But Blair has told me he thinks I should be doing it in a W, but I find it comfortable going sideways. It's good with the wall paint that it's wipeable. Whose handprints are those?
Not mine.
They're not mine.
The kitchen's finally done.
I know, after a long, long slog, we're there.
Yeah.
The biggest challenge actually was deciding on the right pink. There are so many gorgeous Resene pinks. We didn't want a baby pink, we wanted a grown up pink, and one that also tied in with our floor tiles. So we started with a colour called Springwood, which is a really kind of pale pink. It was a little bit lighter than I wanted, so I wanted to bring out more warmth and more depth in colour. So we then put over the top a wash of Resene Contented, which is a lovely kind of muted denim-y pink with undertones of grey, and it's just a real focal point, and we're delighted with the outcome. It looks really gorgeous.
Yeah, the other thing that we had to really consider was how we moved from the living room down here into this space. So we decided to run these tiles up the wall, and that then just created a really nice clean break for us to then decide on our paint colour, and then run that around this wall here.
Margot, so what's your favourite colour?
The pink,
Why do you like the pink?
because my favorite colour is pink.
Your favourite colour's pink?
Yeah.